Hello, today we are doing the Lamborghini. This is the new introduction to you all. This is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. It doesn't look like it, does it? You're used to seeing it grey and red. The wee red bits there. Now, don't get me wrong, I hated this car. I absolutely hated the look of it. I don't know why, it just looks ugly to me. But when you change the colour of it, whoo-hoo! This car has not got any design on it. You may be surprised, I know. It's just going to have plain neon orange with a deep metallic finish. That's what this car's going for. Obviously, look at it. The paint is far freaking too thick. So, that being said, let's just get the sand in this baby because she badly needs it. Now this car has no design. It is just going to get a plain neon orange, as you can see the glimpses from previous attempts. So yeah, let's sandblast the rest of this baby. Back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna get this Sesto Elemento done. We're gonna sandblast it today because, well, I'm gonna start putting model car content out there. Yeah, let's get back to work. The Sesto Elemento is doing really well. We've done the white coat. Now as you can see, there is white particles sticking out the paint. Now all that needs is rough sandpaper. It's the same for there, pretty much nearly everywhere. And then once I do that, we'll respray it white, and then it's just getting a plain neon orange colour. Don't ask why I chose neon colour. I just thought this car deserves a plain colour. So in the next video, this Lamborghini Sesto Elemento will get its orange coat, but we need to sand them wee particles that are sticking out the paint. We just need rough sandpaper for that. Smooth it all, respray it white, and then the neon orange. The neon orange. That colour right there. Yeah, see you in the next one.